Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and this video will give you an explanation about the overview of Google Sheet and the way how it works on your iPhone. So you must download the application first, the Google Sheets. You can just open your App Store and then make sure you found this application with this icon. Then you just need to go click it to open it. Now this is the look whenever you open your Google Sheet application. So first you just need to create the new document by tap into this plus button, and that will give you a chance to create the title. So you just need to go tap the title that you want to use for the documents and then just go tap create. Now you already got this whole document. It is in a blank condition. So whenever we work with the Google Sheet, we could be working with cell. So what we call a cell is the combination between the columns that are symbolized by the alphabet and rows that symbolized by number. So the combination between these two could create a cells. So this active cells could be called a cell A3, and this one could be B3, and so on and so on. If you want to delete some information inside, if you want to add the information inside of the cell, just go tap into this icon and start typing what do you want to have for this cells, and then you can just go for the next information on the next cells. Right after you're done, click this checklist button and then you are done. You can save it automatically into your Google Drive. So that's for this tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.